Hello guys and welcome back to our YouTube channel Quick Guide. Today I'm here with another video to help you guys how you can log in into Trinet login for employee. As you can see, you need to first open up any web browser like I did Google and go into its search engine and search for Trinet login and hit enter. After doing so, many results will pop up on your screen. Just click on the first link that shows up. After doing so, now it will take you to the official site of Trinet. Now, as you can see, the official site has loaded up on my screen. You need to scroll down. Here you can see different options of how and where you need to log in. For now, I'm going to log in into Trinet POE, or also known as Professional Employer Organizer. Just click on Login. After doing so, you will be taken into a new interface like my screen. Here you need to put your login ID and a password in order to log in. But if you forgot your password or your username, you can easily reset them by these buttons here. Or you have a Google Play ID or a App Store ID, you can also easily log in through those ID. And if you are first time using or hearing about Trinet, you can also log in by clicking here first time login and sign up to this website. So guys, after entering your correct login ID and password, just hit on login. And here's a remember me icon as well. If you're using a private computer, you can tick this box, but I would not recommend this if you are using a public computer. So guys, after clicking on login, you'll be logged into your Trinet account. So guys, this much for this video. I hope you guys find our video helpful, and if you do, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to leave a comment for reviews and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.